Okay, bestie, have you ever struggled with your makeup melting off halfway through your school day? Well, today I'm gonna show you to get that cool airproof makeup. And welcome back to my channel, besties. It's really good to see you guys again. Okay, first things first, sunscreen. Never ever skip it. I'm using this Beauty of Joseon sunscreen. It's lightweight, super hydrating, and it doesn't leave a white cast. Plus, it's blendable. I love it so much. And next is the primer. And we're using this Maybelline Fit Me primer. We gotta keep our base in place, especially for us here in the Philippines where humidity is no joke, and it's like a shield for my face. For my base, I'll just keep it light. Here I'm using this Tear cushion. I love Tear because they have a wide range of shades, so I easily got to pick a shade for my morena skin, and it really blends super well, and it gives you this coverage but still looks fresh, and it looks literally like second skin. Plus, hindi siya heavy, so it's definitely perfect for school. And here I'm correcting these grayish under eye circles with Get Ready With Me Warm Corrector. If you're like me who loves to cram during late night, then this is your lifesaver. And to conceal my under eyes, I'm using this BLK concealer, and I also have this concealer brush with me para mas seamless. Blush is important, and I'm using this BLK Creamy All Over Paint. So, I love this one because it's creamy and it just blends effortlessly. And I love how this is an all-over product. You can use it on your lips, on your nose, on your eyelids, not just as blush. And just slightly dab it with a setting powder. I'm using this BYS setting powder. And do not go overboard, guys, ha, kasi hindi espasol ang goal. Just lightly set it to keep the shine in check. And now for the interesting part, eyeshadow. So I'm using this Peri Pera eyeshadow. So first we got to start with the light beige all over the lid. So this serves as the base color. Then we're going with the peachy eyeshadow on this part of the lid, just to give more depth. No plain Jane eyes here. And for the inner corners, let's just add some shimmer to make you look awake. Para hindi tayo puyat. Lastly, a bit of dark brown on the outer corners. You gotta give that definition without looking too harsh. And now we go with the wing. Get Ready With Me eyeliner is great for that perfect smudge-proof wing, and this will stay in place the whole day even after all those cool activities. And for the mascara, I'm using this Maybelline Sky High Mascara because it gives me the volume and the lift, and we don't have to worry about those raccoon eyes after lunch. Eli is life girl, so you have to get your brows on fleek. Here I'm using this Get Ready With Me brow pencil and just lightly fill those gaps. Here, I'm setting these with brow gel because I'm setting my hairs in place. And for the lips, I'm using this Etude House Over Glowy Lip Tint. It's lightweight and it lasts long, perfect for school. You can also add some shine. Here, I'm using this fancy lip gloss. And with the one last finishing touch with BYS Loose Powder. And I focus on my T-zones because this is where it gets so oily. And set everything with a setting spray. And just like that, you're school airproof. And that's it guys, School Airproof Makeup Pinas Edition. And guys, if you want more of these in the future, then please do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Love you besties! Bye!